Hi everyone, for today's video, I will show you how to solve quadratic equations by using quadratic formula. Okay, so we have here the quadratic formula. X is equal to negative b, positive negative square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So we have here 3 examples. Actually guys, itong 3 examples natin, ito yung kinuha ko din sa completing the square sa previous video natin. So let's prove na magka-press pa rin sagot natin with the use of another method now, which is quadratic formula. Okay, so for us to get the roots or the solutions for the 3 quadratic equations here, okay, first dapat naka-express yung given natin sa standard form ng quadratic equations, which is equal to 0. Okay, so ang unang step natin dito guys ay i-determine natin yung value ng a, b, and c. Okay, so kung mapapansin natin guys dito sa equation natin, we have the variables a, b, and c. So dito guys, okay, yung a natin dito ay 1. Pag wala kayo nakita dito na numerical coefficient dito sa ax squared, so ibig sabihin 1 yon. So what if we have 3 here or 2? So meron tayong 2 or 3 dito, no? Kung ito ay 4, so your a is 4. Okay? And then your b here, of course, yung linear term natin ay 2. And this time, that is negative, no? So ibig sabihin, take whatever the sign, your b here is negative 2. Eh sir, paano naman po pag ito ay plus 2x? Of course, your b here is positive 2. Okay? Since minus yan, so take whatever the sign that is negative. Gets? Okay. Same here with the constant term. Since minus 15 yan, so negative 15 dito. Okay, I hope guys sasundan nyo. So, yung unang step natin dito guys, express natin sa standard form. Since yung given natin naka-standard form na siya ng quadratic equation, so, i-determine yun na agad yung value ng a, b, and c. Okay, kapag mali kayo ng kuha ng value ng a, b, and c, of course, magkakamali tayo sa answer natin, sa final answer natin. Okay, so, substitute natin guys, yung value ng a, b, and c natin dito sa formula natin. Okay? So, ito guys, magiging, yan, sulat ko muna. So, your b here guys is negative 2. Ito ay negative sa formula natin. So, do not forget, parenthesis, so negative 2. Okay? So, kapag ito ay ginawa nyong positive 2 tapos negative 2, magkakamali tayo dun guys. Okay? So, plus minus, copy nyo lang yan. Plus minus, square root of, sundan nyo lang to guys para hindi kayo malito. Yung b natin ay negative 2. So, parenthesis, negative 2 squared. And then, minus 4. Ito yon. And then, yung a natin dito guys ay 1. So, 4 times 1. Do not forget to write the parenthesis. And then, your c here is negative 15. Right? Yan. All over 2a. So, your a here is 1. So, 2 times 1. Okay? And then, we need to simplify. Simplify nyo lang palagi. So, negative times negative, that is equal to positive. So, positive 2 na lang yan. So, plus, minus, and then, what is negative 2 square? Of course, that is equal to 4, right? And then, negative 4 times 1 is negative 4 times negative 15, positive 60. So, plus 60. And of course, huwag nyong kakalimutan to guys. Radical sign square root, no? All over, simplify nyo ulit-ulit. Yung denominator natin, 2 times 1 ay 2. And then, simplify natin to yung may radical sign. Copy nyo lang yan, plus minus. Kasi nasa formula natin yan. 4 plus 60, that is square root of 64, right? All over 2. Okay, next. So here guys, Simplify ulit natin to. Copy mo yung 2 plus minus square root ng 64. Of course, 8. Yan. Since na-evaluate na natin siya, kinuha natin yung square root nun. So, wala na tayong makikitang radical sign dito or square root symbol. All over 2. Okay? So, ayun na guys. And then, unahin natin yung plus, mamaya si minus. Ito tayo. Yan. So, yung x sub 1 natin, kasi di ba we have 2 roots? Okay? Yung x sub 1 natin, yung unang x natin ay 2 plus 8. Inuna ko guys yung positive, yung plus 8 muna. All over 2. And then, 2 plus 8, that is equal to 10 over 2. So, yung x sub 1 natin ay 10 divided by 2. The answer is 5. Okay? So, yung unang x sub 1 natin ay 5. So, now, yung x sub 2 natin or yung other root ng solution natin ng quadratic equation na to. Yan, yung given natin. So, x sub 2 ay kanina inuna natin si plus 8. So, ngayon, minus 8 naman. So, minus 8. So, I hope guys, susundan ako. All over 2. Yan. 2 minus 8. That is equal to negative 6. Copy over 2. So, yung x sub 2 natin guys, o yung pangalawang root natin ay negative 6 divided by 2 ay negative 3. Okay, so the roots are, or the solutions of the given quadratic equation are 5 and negative 3. So guys, balikan nyo yung previous video natin, solving quadratic equations with the use of completing the square. Yung una example natin dun guys, ang sagot dun ay positive 5 and negative 3. Okay? So ito naman, the other way around with the use of quadratic formula. So, sana nasundan nyo, no? Okay, next example tayo. Example number 2. So, ganun lang kasimple. If you want to check kung tama yung sagot nyo, substitute nyo yung 5 and negative 3 dito sa equation natin. I-prove nyo na equal to 0 parehas. Okay? Next example tayo. Example number 2. Okay, same procedure yung ginawa natin sa example number 2. Okay, so sabi ko kanina, as what I have mentioned earlier, dapat naka-express muna sa standard form ng quadratic equations bago tayo mag-determine ng value ng A, B, and C. So guys, itong equation na to, i-express muna natin into standard form, which is naka-equal to 0, right? So ito, magiging x squared plus 9x. Si negative 8, ilipat mo sa left side, magiging positive 8, right? Is now equal to 0. Okay, naka-express na siya sa standard form ng quadratic equations. Okay, wherein ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And then, that's the time na mag-identify tayo ng value ng a, b, and c. So, dito kayo titingin guys sa new equation natin. Okay, so your a here is 1. Wala naman tayo nakitang number dito. Okay, kung may 5 dyan, so your a is 5. Ganun lang kasimple. And then your b here is, okay, positive 9. Kasi nga, plus 9 yan. Kung minus 9 to, minus 9x. So, this becomes negative 9. Okay. And then, for the constant term, which is plus 8 or positive 8, so magiging positive 8 to. Okay, nasundan ba ako? Okay, next. I-substitute na natin guys sa formula natin, no? Okay, so x is equal to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So, mas madali na to kasi nga, meron tayong value na a, b, and c. And then, i-perform na lang natin to. So, x now is equal to, okay, your b here is positive 9. So, sa previous example natin, negative 9 yun, no? So, ito, since negative to, so, remain tayo, negative 9 plus minus. Sundan nyo lang to guys. Yung b natin ay positive 9. Yan, squared. Minus 4. Your a here is 1. Substitution lang guys. Your c is positive 8. Yan, all over 2a. Your a here is 1. Okay, next. Simplify natin yan. Negative 9. Bring down nyo lang muna. Plus, minus. What is 9 squared? That is equal to 81, right? And then, in this case, 4 times 1 is 4. Negative yan, so negative 4 times 8. So, negative 32. So, minus 32. Kung isa rito ay negative plus negative to, of course, magiging positive yun. So, be mindful sa mga signs natin. Kapag doon pala nagkamali kayo, guys, magka-come up tayo sa maling sagot. Okay? So, 2 times 1 is equal to 2. And then, simplify ulit. So, negative 9. I hope nasundan ako, guys. 81 minus 32, that is equal to 49. So, square root of 49. All over 2. Okay, simplify ulit natin yan, guys. So, negative 9. Okay, plus, minus. Yung 49 ba ay perfect square? Of course, perfect square yan. So, evaluate natin. That is positive negative 7. Ito na yon. And then, yan, all over 2. Okay, nasundan ba? Okay, next. Medyo mahaba talaga to. Okay, pero madali lang. So, x sub 1 natin, unahin mo muna si plus, o yung positive. X sub 1 natin ay is equal to, of course, negative 9 yan. Negative 9, then, plus 7, all over 2. What is negative 9 plus 7? Negative 2. All over 2. Ito yun, no, guys. So, x sub 1 natin ay negative 2 divided by positive 2 is negative 1. Okay, next. X sub 2 tayo. So, negative 9. Copy nyo lang. Kanina, positive or plus 7. Ngayon, minus 7 naman. So, minus 7 all over 2. So, negative 9 minus 7. So, proceed to addition. Magiging negative 16 all over 2, right? Okay. So, x sub 2 natin, yung other root natin ay negative 16 divided by 2. The answer is negative 8. Because negative divided by positive is negative. So, the roots are negative 1 and negative 8. Gets? Okay, next. Last example tayo. 2x squared plus 8x minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, since yung number 3 example natin ay naka-express na sa standard form, so yung step natin dun guys ay aalamin nilang or identifying the value of A, B, and C. So, ito yung A natin, ito yung B natin, ito yung C natin. Okay, so your A here is 2. Kasi meron na siyang numerical coefficient. So, kapag x square lang nandyan, of course, automatic 1 yun. Okay, your B here is positive 8. Bakit positive 8? Kasi plus 8 to. Kung minus 8 yan, so magiging negative yung B mo rito. Okay, take whatever the sign. And then next, your C is negative 10. Kasi minus 10 yan guys. Kung plus 10 yan, positive 10 dito. Gets ba ko? Okay, good. Next. So, next step na, substitute na natin yung mga values ng A, B, and C sa quadratic formula natin. So, sundan nyo lang yan. X now is equal to, okay, your B here is positive 8 and negative sa formula natin. So, negative 8 plus minus square root of, yung B natin dito guys ay 8. So, 8 squared minus 4. So, dito yung A natin ay 2. Yan, copy nyo lang. And then, yung value ng C ay negative 10. So, guys, kapag mali kayo ng mga sign dyan, magkakamali talaga tayo sa final answer natin. So, be mindful about it. So, 2 times yung A natin dito ay 2. Yan. Simplify natin. So, x now is equal to negative 8. Copy nyo lang yan. Plus minus. What is 8 square? Of course, 64, no? 8 times 8, 64. So, negative 4 times 2 is negative 8 times negative 10. So, positive 80. And then 2 times 2 ay 4. Right? Next, simplify again. Hanggat pwede pang i-simplify, simplify natin, simplify. So, pinapakita ko yung step-by-step process. Ha? So, negative 8 plus minus 64 plus 80. That is equal to 144, right? So, square root of 144. All over 4. Okay. Next. So, x now is equal to, unahin ko, simplify muna natin to. Negative 8 plus minus, ano ba ang square root ng 144? That is equal to 12, correct? 12 times 12 is 144. So, ibig sabihin, plus minus 12 yan. All over 4. Okay. So, simplify natin to. Unahin ko muna si plus 12. So, kay x sabon tayo. X sub 1 is equal to negative 8 plus 12 all over 4. Okay, ano na lang tayo horizontal, no? negative 8 plus 12. What's the answer? Of course, positive 4. Divided by 4. Ito yun. 4 divided by 4. The answer is 1. So, yung x sub 1 natin ay 1. Tama? Okay, now, for the x sub 2, so negative 8. Kanina, plus 12. Ngayon, minus 12 naman. So, minus 12. All over 4. Negative 8 minus 12. Proceed to addition. Magiging negative 20. All over 4. So, divide natin yan. Negative 20 divided by 4 is equal to negative 5. Okay? So, yung solutions ng equation na to, 2x squared plus 8x minus 10 is equal to 0 ay 1 and negative 5. So, ganun lang ka-simple at kadali with the use of quadratic formula. Okay? Kapag hindi kasi pwedeng ma-solve using extracting the square root, factoring, or completing the square, we can also use quadratic formula. Okay ba? So, I hope na meron kayong natutunan sa video ito. Paki-like and share na rin. Thank you for watching.